Hello, welcome everyone to this workshop of the MORPHO project. We have today our chair with us, that is Nazih Mechbal. He's a full professor and the director of the Process Engineering in Mechanics and Materials Laboratory at Métiers Institute of Technology in Paris. He has more than 20 years of experience as a researcher, where his research interests include the development and application of theoretical methods and automatic control, signal processing to smart structures, which cover structural control, structural health monitoring, and process control. And well, he has been managed numerous projects over the years. Today in here, we will be presenting the results achieved within the MORPHO project. He is the coordinator of this project. In the meeting today, we have a question and answers box in which you can put your questions there, and it will be answered by the speakers. And at the end of the session, I will open the mic so everyone can make their questions. So right now, I give the word to the chair of one of the chairs of this meeting, Nazih.
Thank you so much, Angela, for this introduction and for the organization of this midterm MORPHO workshop. So today it's the second workshop that will be on the subject of structural health monitoring. But before introducing all the presentation, I want to introduce my co-chairs, which is Elena Sánchez García from EASA, so from European Aviation Safety Agency. Elena is an aeronautical engineer. She works at EASA since 2009 as a structures expert and project certification manager within the certification directorate. Before EASA, she worked for 8 years at an industry as a stress woman. She has a focus on probability, aeroelasticity, and IE, and is involved in SIA, ISEC, SHM statistic working group. Thanks, Elena, to be with us and to help co-chairing this workshop. So before going further and beginning with the first presentation, we want to remind you that it's first to delight. We are delighted to have participants joining us from industry and academic. So welcome to this workshop. And this is the second of a series of 3 workshops related to MORPHO project, to the work that it has been carried in this project, this AU project, H2020. And just to remember that MORPHO has focus on the work on MORPHO that starts in 2021. Want to brings together 10 partners from industry and academics to work on the development of some intelligent aeronautical engine, fan blades equipped with some cognitive capabilities, and optimize the manufacturing and the life cycle management. So to go further, this is the second workshop, and the next workshop will take part in the 26th November, and will be on advanced in laser shock techniques and carbon fiber recovery for composite materials. It's on the subject of recycling this kind of complex aeronautical structures from this melting until recovering of the fiber carbon. And also, we want to warmly invite you to participate to our final conference that will be held at Vigo in Spain on the 3rd of January 2025. You are welcome to participate as a speaker, or as also we have poster session. If you can participate with some posters, so we have all the information are in the website, and for the poster exhibition. So it will be really a good to be with us, so we can then present all our works and can perhaps go further for next project by discussing more than beyond MORPHO results and what we can do